Training means helping people to learn how to do something, telling people what they should or should not do, or simply giving them information. Training specially related to safe practices, while using equipment operated with electricity and steam, involving production of gases and fumes, saves workers from accidents that can cause serious health issues including permanent disability. This comprehensive course has been designed for workers involved in welding activities and safety supervisors. This dreadful information makes it essential to educate workers, supervisors and managers in the field of work-related safety protocols. Knowledge of health and safety concepts should always be given preference, as healthy body and mind produce great results. The course is divided into 8 short lectures. All aspects of welding and essential safety rules applicable under OSHA and NABOSH protocols are taught to students. This course has total time duration of little more than 2 hours. Information related to theory of welding, protection against electric shocks, fumes and gases is described. Suitable clothes and personal protective items are enlisted during the course along with immediate health protection procedures involving first aid with special emphasis on heat exhaustion. Employees must be provided with eye and face protection equipment when machines or operations present potential eye or face injury from physical, chemical, or radiation agents. This in turn increases profitability of the company as it avoids extra expenses on work-related accidents, causing shutdowns. Certificate will be issued to participants who complete the course. Similar short courses dedicated to specialized segments of OSHA will be introduced in near future. Contact us on email to book slot for this course. Important web links are flashed on the screen. Stay tuned for future courses on offer from Technology Education and Mentoring Center.